Have you ever been sitting at your desk, ready to make a financial move, only to realize you can't remember your Questrade account number? It's a frustrating situation, trust me. Today, we're going to dive into the world of Questrade and show you exactly how to find your account number. So, let's get started. Before we get into the specifics, let's talk a bit about why your account number is so important. Your account number is essentially your unique identifier in the Questrade system. It's used to track your transactions, investments, and overall account activity. Knowing your account number is crucial for various reasons, including making deposits and withdrawals. When transferring funds into or out of your Questrade account, you'll need to provide your account number to ensure the money goes to the right place. Accessing customer support. If you ever need to contact Questrade's customer service team, having your account number readily available will help them assist you more efficiently. Managing your investments. When buying or selling securities, your account number is used to link your transactions to your specific account. Method 1. Online access. The easiest way to find your Questrade account number is usually through your online account. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into your Questrade account, go to the Questrade website and enter your login credentials. Navigate to your account settings. Once logged in, look for a section labeled Account Settings, Profile, or something similar. Find your account number. Within the account settings, you should find a section that displays your account information. Your account number will be listed prominently. Method 2. Mobile app. If you prefer using the Questrade mobile app, the process is quite similar. Open the Questrade app, launch the app on your smartphone or tablet. Access your account settings. Look for a menu or settings button within the app. Locate your account number. Within the settings, you should find a section that displays your account details, including your account number. Method 3. Contacting Questrade. If you're unable to find your account number online or through the app, you can always contact Questrade's customer support. Here's how to do it. Visit the Questrade website. Go to the Questrade website and look for a Contact Us or Help section. Choose your preferred contact method. You may have options like phone, email, or live chat. Provide your personal information. When contacting customer support, be prepared to provide your name, address, and any other identifying information they may request. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips to keep in mind. Save your account number. Once you find it, consider saving your account number in a secure location, such as a password manager or a document that you can easily access. Check your account statements. Your account number is usually printed on your monthly account statements. Contact Questrade if you have any questions. If you're still having trouble finding your account number, don't hesitate to reach out to Questrade's customer support for assistance. Finding your Questrade account number is a relatively simple process, but it can be frustrating if you don't know where to look. By following the steps outlined in this video, you should be able to locate your account number quickly and easily. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.